friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts. Today I have a Dollar Tree pumpkin. It's a styrofoam Dollar Tree pumpkin, and I had some material, some Halloween material, and I've cut it up into little strips. There may be about 2 by 2, something like that, but the size doesn't really matter. But what I'm going to do, we're going to take the little stem out for starters, cut our little tag off, and then I'm going to take, I have a little skewer stick or I have a pencil, doesn't matter what you want to use for this, and a piece of the material, and I've cut my material, not that you have to do that either, but I've used pinking shears just to give it a cute little edge, which we probably won't really end up seeing too much of anyway. And I'm going to go around my pumpkin and I'm going to insert the pieces just like this, filling it all in around. So I'm taking the good side of the material and I'm laying it on the pumpkin and I'm just poking it down in. And we'll go all the way around. And this is going to take a while, but that's okay. There's not really a big hurry when you're crafting. So we'll just continue with our pieces, going all the way around. Filling it in as we go. Until it looks something like this. And now we're just going to do that all the way around our pumpkin. So that's going to take a little while. So I'll carry on and I'll be back. So this is what we're looking like so far. And I have added 2 more colors. I have added a brown to this, and I have added another fabric color that I had little remnants left on. So that's how it's coming along so far. So I think it's going to look pretty cute. So we'll just continue on with this. And what I find also is I find the end of my pencil works better for poking the material in rather than my bamboo skewer. The point on this was really quite sharp, and the pencil lead is not as sharp. So I'm finding that it actually goes in easier with the pencil lead. So we'll continue. So here's our little pumpkin, and I think that turned out really cute. So I've left the top open there, and I've just made a hole in there, and I got some of these it's called a driftwood bag from the Dollar Tree. So I'm taking one of those and I'm going to put that down in my hole like that for the pumpkin stem. Then I'm taking just a couple of leaves off of a leaf bundle, and I'm just going to hot glue that onto there like that. And that's going to be my cute little pumpkin. And I think that turned out really cute. It's all done, all on the bottom. So if this is something that you'd like to try, I hope you will. So please like, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and always remember to be kind. Thanks for watching. Bye now.